The Whangie was.
Whangie was.
Well, the witches summoned the devil, and he cracked his tail down in the rock.
That's the tail.
And that was the tail.
Yeah.
And it split the rocks asunder. I knew all the climbers climb on them.
There you go. So that's where we're going today.
Yeah, it's there, trees, woodland.
And the gates are open.
Who's closed the gate after you? There's no gate left.
Yeah.
There's a coney there up the right.
Connick Hill.
See the clock just skirting it.
Loch Lomond. Well, I guess we're at the Whangie.
Yes, that's about to start.
There's more to come. And that's like a chimney up there, eh? This part here, Bobby. It's like a chimney all the way up.
Aye, same here.
That's a climb.
That's probably about a grade 5 here.
Wow. So that was
You got the poles, aye?
yeah, that was the Whangie. Do you want some water, Bobby, or not?
Eh?
Do you want water or not?
No, thanks.
So that's it, Whangie's done. That was lots of fun, Bobby.
Alright, cheers.
We're done, we did well.
This is just like a wee turning on Bynnick Moor, wasn't it?
That's all it is.
Turn off.
And this is goodbye to the Scottish Trails for
Hey!
2024. Yay!
See your time.
Back to the wall.